In front of me is Honor Pad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by finding and opening Clock app. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus at the bottom on the right. Now you can create your alarm by adjusting all of those options however you want to. First of all, set up an hour. Then click on repeat and click on days of the week that you wish to set up. To save them, hit OK in repeat pop-up. When you're ready, click on sound section. Go into settings by clicking on settings in the pop-up and click on permissions. Sorry, misclick. Then you need to tap on music and audio and hit allow. When you finished, click on the back button a couple of times to go back to alarm clock. Then hit sound again. And to pick any melody from your device, click on music on device. Then tap on the song that you wish to apply and go back. If you don't want to do that, you can always tap on sound and use one of those options instead. Like for example, Forest Whispers. Then select label and name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. To save its new name, hit OK. Then hit ring duration and decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Last but not least, select snooze duration and adjust how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then select OK. Finally, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and tap on one of those options. To turn it back on, use the same, now gray switcher. If you want to delete your alarm completely, you need to hold it and click on this pin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To only make some changes to it, tap on the chosen one, change whatever you want to, and click on the check mark again. You can also delete it by clicking on it and hitting delete at the bottom. Then choosing delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!